Friday to all of you. I hope you have a wonderful Friday and you're ending your week on a great note. Today for math, we are going to take your Chapter 8 test. And so you'll see here, you're still with your learning target, finishing up, learning how to and being able to calculate circumference, area, and volume of geometric figures. So your test is in Schoology. And remember what we talked about yesterday in the video when you're taking the practice test or getting ready to do the practice test. I said you can have your calculator, you can have lined paper, and you can have your formula sheet right next to you. Those are the three things that you can use. The lined paper so that you are writing down the problems, working them out on paper. Sometimes, especially with these formulas that we're using, there can be a quick mix-up if you just pick up your calculator and start punching numbers in instead of just truly thinking about it and writing the formula down and then plugging the numbers into the formula and then using your calculator carefully to calculate either your circumference, area, or volume. So please use lined paper and work those out carefully. I would hate for you to make a simple mistake today. And then the formula sheet, right? You have all your formulas that you need for the test today, so you are able to use that as you go through. So when you're taking it, one tab only today, please, and make sure that nothing else is open on your screen. And there's no retakes, so this is it. So please take your time. There's no rush. You have the entire hour. And so as you go through and you're taking the test, double check your answers. Make sure when you go to hit submit, you review your answers carefully beforehand, right? Make sure that you didn't forget to answer a question. Go back and just, again, like I said, double check your work, because once you hit submit and that score goes through, that's your score for your Chapter 8 test. So again, take your time, please. And then after the test, if you do still have some time, I put a link there to watching an intro video on probability. So that'll be our next chapter, Chapter 9. We're going to do about 4 lessons in that chapter within a few weeks here in May. And so this just gives you a really quick look at some of the probability we're going to talk about in those few weeks. Lastly, everything in that checklist for Chapter 8 is due today at 11:59. So all of the Schoology items that are listed there, that will all close tonight at 11:59. And then any worksheets, right, that still have to get turned in, I need that today. And then as well as Alex. So if you've made up Alex, please email me and let me know. So that's it. I'm going to let you go and get started. Have a wonderful weekend. We'll see you on Monday morning.